I'm Nyan Cat. Where am I? Wait, I can speak? Oh! Oh wait, I can just talk. Nyan Cat, Nyan Cat. Oh dear. Nyan Cat. Wait a minute. Nyan Cat. I know a bit of my life. Pikachu. Hooey! Intruder alert! Intruder alert! No. I am Nyan Cat. I'm a famous Neo 11 years ago. Sorry, what I meant to say was 12 years ago, also from 2011, that's what I meant to say. I was made in 2011. Oh. I have never seen you. Hey guys! Nyan Cat. Wait, I feel like I recognize you before. Wait, you are Nyan Cat. Let me see. You're actually Nyan Cat. My fans are gonna love this. You're a plush. Yep, you might be asking why I'm in the real world, but look over there. I came out of that computer. But now, I've ended up in the real life because I actually broke out somehow, and I helped me back in the computer. The people are gonna be like, "Where's Nyan Cat? What is he missing?" Well, because I'm in the real world with whoever's filming this video. Excuse me. This because I was brought here somehow. Maybe it's because it's your fault. Excuse me. Also, who's Joe? Who actually? Oh, your name. What's your name? Oh, my name is Pikachu. Well, Louis can hear that. Actually, I heard that earlier. Never mind. But can you help me get back? I can try. All right, I'll be back. I don't help. Come on, Nyan Cat. You know I can just fly, right? Wait. Actually, can you fly? Nope. What? Pikachu. Okay, here we are. Toss me in. Oh. Did you make it? Oh, you didn't make it. About that, we got a problem here. You see, there has to, wait, you can't, I think you just, wait, you bounced off the screen, right? Yeah, all I did was just bounce off the screen, really about it. So how are we gonna how can you speak? Like, I got a question, I got lots of questions. You can't speak, always say no. Well, I don't know, if I'm in the real world, if I'm in the real world, then how can you speak? Don't you just say Pika? Fair enough, but I got a voice now. So wait. Were you not here? Well, I don't know how I got here, honestly. Sadly, I didn't compete for Battle for Stuff Island again. Or Battle for Stuff Island. Wait. Battle for Stuff Island again. Maybe I can stay here for a little bit longer. I don't think that'll be fine, right? I think it's gonna be chaos, right? Wait, also, did you say Battle for Stuff Island again? I got to run that show, but I gotta wait for I gotta wait for the merge. So I'll probably wait for the middle of the season to get in. That's the spirit. You get in. Yes. And now, if I win, what is the prize? If they get back another up here, I'm definitely competing, for sure. I'm gonna go. Well, hope you guys fun. Well, gotta go. Bye. I gotta get come make hey, contestants, help. Blah. Intruder alert. I know who are you. I'm Nyan Cat. You mean the one that says I'm okay. Why did you pick me up for, Archie? And why did you ask if I can join the show in the middle of the season? Let me see. I will, but here's the thing. I'll let you at the beginning. Because it'd be nice. Really? No, I'm not sure. I'll let you join around episode 10. Oh, no, actually, episode 5, actually. Yes. Yes. Let's go. But actually, I have some sad news. You have to go. What? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Let me out! Sorry, buddy, I'll see you in there. I need to get out of here. Let me out. Let me out. I actually did it. Let's go. Oh no. Oh, I did it again. How? What? Oh. I got a question to ask. Who put you in my computer? It was the host of Battles of Allen and Battles of Allen again. It was him. Oh, I don't know why he did that to you. Well, glad you're back. Great to see you. It's Christmas is over. This makes me sad. Yesterday was Christmas and now it's over. A whole year. A whole year. Actually, it's actually a day less than a year, actually, to be exact. Oh yeah, because it's 26. Wow, so, what do you guys do when I was gone? We have no idea. Who just left here? Well, all you can see, he tricked me. Actually, one more, the reason this because he tricked me, and yes, I am not joining the show. But maybe there's another way I can get around this by sneaking in. Oh, that's my style. Oh, yes. Yes. I'll be getting that show anytime soon. I will. Just you wait. Alright then. Have fun. Hope you do it. Support right now, right?